Hello everybody, welcome to Neighborhood Mechanic. This is 2017 Honda CR-V. Where you need to replace your spark plugs. You do any of the maintenance yourself, like the air intake, spark plugs, cabin air, filter, and so on. It's really easy. To check the air filter and replace it, you're going to need to open these 4 bolts here. Simply lift the box up and slide the filter out, insert a new one, push this down. If you're trying to replace your spark plugs, you are going to need to remove these 2 clips here. You are going to need to remove this 10mm bolt here. And the reason we're removing these, because a lot of people, what they do is they put this aside. They don't remove them. You can definitely do that. But you got to keep in mind, this is plastic neck. Even though they're big, they definitely can't break. So I don't want to have that. It's easier to get the filter box out of the way. Once you get that out the way, you're going to need 10mm. You're going to need to open all your coil plug. Remove all the bolts holding your coils. Then remove the bolt and pick up the coil just slightly so you can take the plug off. Get the coil out of the way. Next, get yourself the spark plug tool. You can get the 7-piece if you have multiple different years and makes and models that you want to service yourself. You will get all different type of spark plug tools here. Since we're working on Honda, we're going to need 9/16 here. So I'll just drop it in. One thing I am extremely surprised is sometimes these plugs are loose. They're not as torqued as they're supposed to be. I can easily open with this gun. Anyway, remove all your plugs, same procedure. Remove the bolts, lift your coil halfway, unplug it, remove the plugs, insert a new one, put the coil back in. You will just grab your coil, put it back in halfway. Right here is the best place to plug it, and make sure you lock the plug in, drop it down, the bolt in. Then we'll take the box, we'll slide the hoses back on to their areas like this. Perfect. Tighten these bolts and you're done. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Take care. Have a wonderful day.